Hello everyone, today we are preparing cream cheese. Cream cheese is very commonly used in the western countries as a spread or dips and also to make cheesecake. However, cream cheese is not so available in many Asian countries. It's very easy to prepare cream cheese at home with just two ingredients, full fat milk and lemon juice. Let's jump into the preparation. Into a saucepan, pour 1 liter of milk, turn the heat on medium high and let the milk simmer. It's really important to use full fat milk with 3.2% or above fat and not low fat, skimmed or semi-skimmed milk. And that distinguishes cream cheese from cottage cheese or paneer, which is made from skimmed or low fat milk. As it starts simmering, turn the heat down to medium and keep stirring it often. Add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. You could add lime juice or vinegar as filling instead. Adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice at a time into the milk and stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. And you see our milk begin to curdle. That's perfect. And we can go ahead and add the second tablespoon of lemon juice and keep stirring it. You can notice more milk curdles up. Continue stirring it. We add the third and fourth tablespoon of lemon juice and keep stirring it. See, the milk has completely got curdled. Now we see the lumps coming to the top and it's our curd. We switch off the heat now and going to separate the curd from the whey. Take a big bowl and place a sieve on top and lay over a cotton cloth or cheesecloth and pour the curdled milk. Let it sit for 15 minutes to drain out all the liquid by itself. Do not squeeze out the liquid. After 15 minutes, we take a look and all the liquid has been drained off. The liquid or whey doesn't have to be thrown away. It can be used as marinade or can be added fruit juices. So now transfer the curds to a bowl to be beaten with a hand mixer or can be transferred to a food processor also. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the whey or liquid here to loosen it and beat it again. You notice the curds turning up into creamy cheese. Adding some salt now, you could season it with dried chives or herbs depending upon where you want to use the cream cheese. Continue beating it until it is nice and creamy. I have got around 200 grams of cream cheese from 1 liter of milk. Based on the required amount of cream cheese that you need, just multiply the ingredients. Now our homemade cream cheese is ready. You could store it in the fridge and use it up to 7 days. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.